Hello dear friends, today I'll show you how to quickly and easily send money from Bybit to Binance. We need to open Binance first. Opening Binance, main menu. I have already accessed our wallet. It's located at the bottom right. Next, we need to click the deposit button. By pressing the deposit button, we go to this menu. Here we see different coins that we can replenish. In the search engine, type in USDT, locate the token, and here we can select any network of our preference to complete the transaction and send it. Choose any network you want to send. And what do you need to do next? We are closing our Binance if you copied this network. We go to our Bybit, the main menu of Bybit opens, then we go to the bottom right corner. To the digital wallet. Here we see our main account, after which we conclude it is located by the button in the middle, and here we can select the specific coin we wish to send to ensure the correct transaction. You need to hold USDT, click on USDT, and then enter the address we copied here, select the very network we carefully chose at that pivotal moment in time. Next, enter the amount we want to withdraw, click withdraw, then check your email for the code and confirm. That's it, and enable two-factor authentication. Thank you for watching, dear friends. Let me know in the comments if my method helped you. See you soon and don't forget to subscribe and like. Goodbye.